I'm obsessed with this lightweight, non-greasy sunscreen, the beauty of Joseon Relief Sun. Aqua-Fresh is a masterpiece for those seeking hydration and broad-spectrum protection. Refreshing hydration, 30% rice seed water, and panthenol deliver exceptional moisture. Sheer, non-greasy finish, perfect for daily wear. Broad-spectrum protection, SPF 50+, PA+++, shields skin from UVA, UVB radiation. Soothing and calming. Panthenol and oat extracts comfort irritated skin. Weightless texture, fast absorbing, no white cast or residue. Key ingredients: rice seed water, 30%, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Panthenol, vitamin B5, moisturizes and calms skin. Oat and artichoke extracts, soothe and protect. Ceramides, tocopherol, ferulic acid, support skin's natural barrier. This sunscreen feels like a refreshing mist on my skin. It absorbs quickly, leaving a dewy finish. No greasiness or white cast. Perfect for everyday use. Ideal for normal to oily skin types. Those seeking lightweight sun protection. Individuals looking for a non-greasy finish. Final verdict: beauty of Joseon Relief Sun. Aqua-Fresh is a must-have sunscreen for anyone seeking hydration, protection, and a comfortable wear. Try it and experience the perfect blend of skincare and sun protection.